I have covered 3 major mistakes in this video, and I can surely say that more than 90% of you all must be making the same mistake in your NDA preparation. I have cleared my NDA written exam in my first attempt, and on the basis of my personal experience, I am going to highlight some common mistakes that will directly affect your score in next NDA attempt. But don't you worry, I will also share solutions for them along with a priority list of subjects which will define your future preparation. So without wasting our time, here comes the first mistake, that is avoiding mathematics. Friends, maths is the most important subject among all, not because it carries the highest marks. In fact, comparatively, it is a lot easier to score in GAT than in maths. What makes this subject most important is its sectional cutoff. And this is the reason why many candidates not get selected for the SSB. They might be scoring a good marks in GAT, but scoring less marks than sectional cutoff in mathematics makes their effort worthless. And it all starts with avoiding mathematics subject. Many candidates avoid maths because they find it difficult, while on the other hand, candidates ignore maths because they find it easier to score marks in GAT. Both these way, candidates end up scoring less marks in maths than sectional cutoff. And let me tell you one of my personal stories. I have started my NDA preparation from July 2023. And after 10 months, I attempted NDA 1 2024 paper from my home because I was not eligible back then. And guess what? Being a PCM student, I could only score 63 marks. And exactly after 4 months in September, I appeared for the first time in NDA written exam and scored 121 marks in mathematics. The point I am trying to make here is that I was able to score good in maths just because I faced the challenging concepts and the questions. No one gets the concept at first time, but with repetition of revision and practice, we can definitely score a good marks in mathematics, irrespective of our stream. So allot some time of your day for this subject and soon you will start enjoying the process. And if your maths is good, then all the best, you are on the right track. Just focus on other important subjects too. Now, I am going to share a formula of right preparation. So pay attention here, ladies and gentlemen, because this is my own discovery. So when we talk about right preparation, I believe it is majorly divided into two parts, the right approach and its execution. And this is the point where most of the candidates make mistake. Your approach is basically the plans for your preparation. Resources like books, teachers, test series, etc. contribute the most in your final score. Trust me, it seems pretty basic, but these are the pillars of your preparation. However, because of the greater number of available resources, many candidates end up getting confused between two or more resources and could not stick to one single resource. It leads to more confusion, which directly affects our final score. So don't make any mistake in choosing the right resource for yourself. Research a bit about the books or teachers on your own because only you can tell which one will benefit you the most. Others can only give you suggestion. With that being said, I would like to introduce new Commando batch launched by Team LWS for NDA 1 2025 exam. It is the most affordable batch with a price of Rs 999 only. The entire LWS team will teach you all the subjects including maths, English, science and general knowledge along with the SSB classes all at one place. It is a bilingual batch means यहाँ आपको English और हिंदी दोनों subjects में पढ़ाया जाएगा. For any query, you can contact them through these two numbers, and if you have found the contents of this batch useful, then you can use the link given below in the description box to get further details of this batch, and you can also purchase it from there. By now, we have discussed the importance of mathematics, and I would like to add that we do not need to cover the entire syllabus in order to score good marks, especially in mathematics. I could only cover 60% syllabus of maths and I could not even start calculus, which is one of the most scoring parts. Still, I was able to clear the exam. So even if you are not a PCM student, you can still score good marks in mathematics by focusing on easy chapters that hold high weightage. And with this, we come to the third and last mistake, that is overlooking priorities. It is a situation where candidates are more inclined towards their favorite subject than what is actually important. Let's take an example of a medical stream student. He or she will like to study bio more than any other subject, let's say English. Now, if he correctly attempts all the questions of bio, he will hardly get 40 marks for that. On the other hand, if he attempts even 50% questions of English correctly, he gets 100 marks, which is 2.5 times more than that of score in bio. And this is what is called hard work, not smart work. Here, with the same or even less effort, one can score 100 marks, while other is scoring just 40 marks. And that's where our priority list comes in role. Out of 900 marks, these 4 subjects contribute about 700 marks in NDA exam. That is, if you are able to score even 50% marks in just these 4 subjects and leave the questions of other subjects unattempted, you will easily qualify the written examination. Therefore, irrespective of your stream, these are the 4 subjects that you must prepare first and prepare it well. So that was all for today's video. I tried to share some lessons from my own experience and learning, and I believe that this video will definitely be useful at some point of your preparation. So make a note of important points discussed in this video. At the end, I would just like to mention that after knowing all these, some candidates will still make mistakes, and that's totally fine. I myself have made various mistakes in my journey, but the important thing is you must learn from your own mistakes.